Hello guys, in today's video, I will show you how you can enable WebGL 2.0 in Google Chrome so your browser can run graphics-based websites, games, tools, and more smoothly. Let's begin. First, open Chrome and then click on the three dots in the top right corner right over here, then go to Settings. On the left, select System, this one, and make sure use graphics acceleration when available is turned on, right? Then go to the address bar over here. You can backspace and then enter this Chrome semicolon slash forward slash flags and then hit enter. Over here on the search bar, you can look for WebGL, right? WebGL. So WebGL developer extensions, you can enable this and draft extensions, enable this also. Then click on relaunch. Now, if ever you would like to switch back, you can go back over this settings and then go click on disable for these two. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done on your Chrome browser. I hope you found this video very helpful.